user experience.
Obsessed with simplicity.
New experience with ease.
Consistency across the product.
Telegram developer.
With Tally Prime, we picked up an area which we had not touched for many years now, user experience. With millions of users loving the product and using it across geographies, we had to be very precise.
We got to work on non-compliant and non-functional release after a significant amount of time.
Design is extremely important not only during design phase itself, but also during construction as well as testing.
During our construction stage, if we found something is not simple or it's not easy for the users, we have always taken the step back and we revisited our designs.
Tally Prime is all about enhancing the user experience. We spoke to 400 plus customers in the design phase as well as during the last stage of product development, which helped us come up with the right design for our customers.
We had to really focus on diverse businesses, diverse geography, and also diverse personas.
When we think about user experience, first thing which comes to mind is aesthetics. But for a business software like Tally, it's also about the usability, the efficiency by which a user can actually complete their task.
We would have listened to tens of thousands of customers at every step.
We listened to the customer call recordings from TallyCare for the previous 2 months. This helped us understand the kind of queries customers have, the places where they needed help with procedures, or even where they were getting stuck. Based on that, we have organized our topics now.
Acceptance process was conducted in two folds, where we initially evaluated our product based on the design and specification which we have co-created along with the engineering team. And then we went ahead to create a smaller team to focus on diverse business use cases.
We take an extra care to understand why customers ask what they are asking for before we design a feature.
The findings from the acceptance cycle helped us in bringing the consistency across the product.
We analyzed the search strings from TallyHelp for quite some time. This helped us identify the kind of search strings or keywords that customers use.
Adopting the existing customization to make it compatible with the Tally Prime appeared as a challenge. We overcome that challenge with the help of our TDE, Tally Prime developer.
Tally Prime is one release which each product manager would love to be part of. Reimagining something which people already love is certainly not easy.
Really proud of the team who was able to pull this successfully because it was a Herculean task and the feedback what we are getting currently is amazing.
We want you to experience the product which has gone from simple to simpler. Welcome to Tally Prime.